Hello, today we're going to talk about the Poisson distribution. This is one of the problems on your midterm. I just changed the numbers around. It says, assume that 1 in 400 people carry the defective gene that causes inherited breast cancer. In a sample of 500 individuals, what is the approximate distribution of the number who carry this gene? Use this distribution to calculate the approximate probability that between 2 and 4 inclusive carry the gene and at least 5 carry the gene. So this is considered a Poisson distribution. You can look over the rules that you have to follow in order for it to be a Poisson distribution. So the first part says, what's the probability that between 2 and 4 inclusive carry the gene? That's going to be calculated as, this is how you write it. Oops, sorry. Let's try that again. X is going to be in between 2 and 4. Okay, so there's a command that you can use in Excel to figure out Poisson. This is the word, and then you can type in X, and then the mean, and then whether or not it's true or false. Remember, we use true or false if it's cumulative or not cumulative. So for this particular problem, we're going to do Poisson. We're going to do 4 for X. And then our mean, I'm going to put the mean up here. The mean is 1 over 400 times 500. So I get 1.25 as the mean. So 1.25, and I'm going to put true. I want this to be cumulative. Okay, so you're going to get a number, and we write this number down. Got a big number. Not a big number, a long number. So this is what I got for 4. And then I'm going to do it again for 2. I don't have enough room. Let me erase this. I'm going to erase this part right here. So when we do it for 2, I also want that to be cumulative. And then what's going to happen is when I get both of these numbers, these probabilities, I can subtract them. I got 868,468, I believe. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these two numbers and subtract them, and I get 0.122408. So the probability that between 2 and 4 inclusive carry this gene is 0.122408. Okay, so this is the command you use for Poisson. And then the next question was, what's the probability that at least 5 carry the gene? So that's going to be the probability that X is greater than or equal to 5. Or say at least 5, so it's just greater than 5. So we don't have a command in Poisson to do everything greater than. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 1 minus the probability that X is less than or equal to 4. Okay, so you can we already know how to do this in Excel, and we calculated it already. So we're just going to subtract that from 1, and I get 0.009124. So the probability that at least 5 carry the gene is 0.009124. All right, hope this helps.